It's so nice having you again. What's up and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money just by writing reviews for companies online. You're going to write reviews and get paid doing so. So if you're new to the channel, I post videos like this on how to make money online, especially if you're in Nigeria. So you might want to consider clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that bell icon to receive notifications immediately I upload a new video like this. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to register, I'm not only going to show you how to create an account, I'm going to show you how to create an account, how to write and submit a review that is going to be 100% accepted, and lastly, how to withdraw directly to your bank account. So I want you to pay full attention to every single thing I show and say in this video. So now, without wasting much time, let's get straight into the first phase of this video, which is how to actually create an account. So tap on the link in the description, the second link, and it's going to bring you to this page. And here you have to tap on create an account, put in your email address and put in your password. Once you are done, hit the create an account button and you're going to wait on this page for a little. It is going to take a little time to actually load, and it's going to take you directly to the next page. If yours doesn't load up, keep tapping on that create an account and it's going to work. So now on this page, you're just going to tap on the next button. Just tap on next and it's going to take you to the next page. Here you have to select at least 3 companies. So now you have to just select 3 companies randomly. And if you've used any of these companies before, just select 3 of them and you are going to tap on submit. So now you'll be brought to this page. This is actually your account, but some things needs to be done. This is actually your account. All you need to do from here is tap on confirm your email. So a link will be sent to your email account, the email account you registered with. Just go to your Gmail app and you can check it from here, and all you have to do is to tap on verify your email. So now once you tap on it, it's going to bring you directly to this page. Now your account is fully active. As you can see, your account is already verified. Now you can go back, because this is just your Gmail. Go back to your Google Chrome, and the next thing you want to understand is how to actually write reviews. But before that, I want you to take note of this. So I really don't know what this means, but I'm still going to show you at the end of this video, where it is written this campaign will end on August 31, 2023. So if you are watching this video after August 31, I want you to read the terms and conditions. I will still show you how to get there and understand what it means. I don't know if this is ending on the 31st of August, but before you try it out, if you are watching this after the 31st of August, I want you to ask questions so you do not end up doing it and not getting paid. So now the next thing I want to show you is how to actually write a review that is going to get accepted. Now I want you to pay full attention here. Once you log into your account, this is what you get. I want you to tap on this. No, before you tap on that, as you can see, this is my review. It is already pending. This is approved. This is approved. So now once you tap on your icon at the top right, once you tap on your icon on this page, you can tap on invite. This is to show you where you can actually check your balance and how to make a review. So tap on invite, and on this page, just tap on the screen to take this. As you can see, your trust points, here is where you can actually see your balance. And I want you to understand that for each person you refer, you can get 10 trust points. We'll talk about that later. Okay, now you're going to scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on this start reviewing. This is how to review. Immediately you tap on it, the list of companies available will be displayed, and we have a lot of them actually. So you are going to look for any one of them. I've reviewed some of these. You can only review a company once. I've reviewed some of these, so I'm just going to look for a company I've never done a review for. So I'm just going to tap on it, and once you tap on it, tap on yes I have, and it's going to bring you to this page. Now on this page, you're going to scroll down a little and you'll see where you actually give it either a 4-star rating or a 5-star rating. Advise you give it a 4-star or a 5-star. Okay, you tap on this, any of this. Immediately you tap on it, it's going to display this page, and you're going to give it a 4-star or a 5-star rating. I want you to take note of the name. The name is here, and I would advise you use ChatGTP. It's going to give you a very nice review. So the link to get this is also in the description as well. You are going to create an account, and in the search bar here you are going to type in, let's say, in not more than 100 words, write a good review on this website. I want you to use the same keyword, in not more than 100 words, write a good review on this website, and you're going to put in the name of the website. So the name is actually CME Group. So you are going to tap on send. ChatGTP is going to give you a nice review, a very short one. You do not want to end up giving them a very long review, so they do not actually know it is not you actually did the review. So this is very short and precise, and you come back here and put it in this box. Now you are going to scroll down a little. You are going to give all these either 5-star or 4-star. I advise you read what is written at the top. How would you rate your overall experience with the customer service? I do not want you to write something like maybe good. You really need to give an answer that is suitable for the question. So you are going to do this for each and every of the question asked, and you are going to tap on submit. If submit isn't showing, then you didn't do this first one. So now I'm going to give it a 5-star, or let's say a 4-star or 5-star, anyone, and I'm going to tap on submit. So now you can review the same company one time. So I've already done a review about this company before. That is what I'm actually saying. You can only do for your company once per month. So I'm just going to look for another company, and I'm going to do a review for the company using the same process. But I want you to understand that I want you to get to ChatGTP. You do not have to type in every word like in not more than 100 words. You just need to edit the name of the company. Okay, let's say I want to go for this. This is cracking. Tap on this, tap on close. Now go back to this place, give it a 4 or a 5-star. This is cracking. I'm just going to go to ChatGTP and edit. I just tap on this button to edit and change the name of the company to cracking, and I will tap on submit. This way you can easily do a lot of companies daily. So now, and tap on copy, then head back to this place. I'm going to paste in the review. I have to tap on this first, give it a 5-star, paste in the review, scroll and just give it 5-star, satisfied, everything. And then once I'm done with this, I'll tap on the submit button again. So once you're done, tap on submit, and you should see something like success. Thank you for the review. Now here is one thing I want you to understand. For each review, presently you're going to get 5 points for each review. I'm going to tell you about the minimum withdrawal later and how many points you need to withdraw. But for now, it's actually about 5 reviews. It was about 25 before, then it's reduced to 10, but now it's now 5 reviews, 5 points per review rather. So for every review you make, it's going to be pending, either pending approval or rejection. And once it is approved or accepted, you are going to get 5 trust points. And please know that they can actually reject your review as well. So now, once you know that, tap on invite again to go to this page. Once you tap on the invite, I want you to understand that you can always see your points here, your trust points here, and you get 5 points per review. Here is how to withdraw. For 55 trust points, you are going to get 5 USDT. For 150 trust points, you are going to get 10. For 300 trust points, you are going to get 15 USDT. Once you reach any of these, just tap on claim. Once you tap on claim, you're going to put in your address and your OKX wallet address. Now I want you to understand that for you to withdraw, you cannot withdraw to maybe your Binance, your Trust Wallet, your KuCoin. You need to use OKX wallet address. So if you do not have OKX wallet address before, you need to click on the link in the description to register an OKX account. Let me quickly put you through on how to register. So once you click on the link and you download the app, it's going to take you to this page. And on this page, all you need to do from here is to register an account. So you are going to register with your basic info. Just tap on sign up since it's your first time. And on this page, you are going to put in your mobile number and the referral code showing on the screen. Or if you want to use your email, put in your email with the referral code showing on the screen. It is very important. You're going to complete this captcha. You're going to put in an OTP. I need to make this really fast. And once you receive the OTP, put it in and select your country. make sure you select the right country, set a password, and you're going to get something like this. Now you are done with the registration, tap on verify now. Immediately you tap on verify now, you are going to select your country and every other thing, and you are going to tap on enter info manually if you want to use your NIN digits. But if you want to use your NIN card, you are going to select the first option. So you are going to do all this yourself. This is very easy to set up, and once you put in everything, select your date of birth, tap on OK, and you are going to put in your address on the next page, select everything, and on the next page your account is going to be verified. Now here is what I want you to do to actually withdraw from Trust Finance. So this was where we actually stopped. The first is your home address and the second is your OKX wallet address. Open your OKX wallet app, and from this page tap on deposit. Immediately tap on deposit, tap on USDT. If you can't find it here, type it in the search bar, USDT. This one, just tap on it, and from all the addresses here you are going to select the first one. Let me tap on it again. You're going to select USDT OKTC. It is very important. That is where you are withdrawing to. Tap on it to withdraw. Now you're going to copy your wallet address here, your USDT OKTC address. Tap on this to copy and go back to your Trust Finance. Paste in the address in the second box, and on the first box you are going to put in your home address. I suggest you use the address you used when you were registering for the OKX wallet app. It is very important, so everything works out well and they do not reject your withdrawal. So you are going to type it in, and once you type it in, you are going to tap on redeem 150. Yours can be 55, yours can be 300, and tap on OK. Now an email will be sent to you. As you can see, successful redemption. Please check your email to when you are going to get paid and when you receive it in your account. So basically that is all about how to register, how to write a review, and how to actually withdraw directly. Once you receive it on your OKX, you can always transfer it to your Binance, and from your Binance directly to your bank account. Once you receive it, you are going to get something like this. I want you to understand that OKX is going to charge you 1 USDT for sending, if you do not know, for sending to your Binance. So basically that is everything you need to know about Trust Finance, and how to register, to how to write a review, to how to actually withdraw directly to your bank account. But before I leave, there are other important things I think you need to know. I'm going to share an image at the end of this video, so just check it out and read it yourself. I really want to say a big thank you for watching this video, and if you find it helpful, I want you to smash that subscribe button and do not forget to share it with a friend. I hope to see you in my next video.